Excuse me? Yes, you! Can I take a couple of minutes to ask a few? Now, can you capture us?
Stop. Too much people.
Is a number. Is referred to as Mr. Zero. Let's make a simple memory. Counting the generation of this magazine, how the digital evolution, and how that contemporary dance amplified. This is the let's make it action.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Kita berada? Kita.
Excuse me. Excuse me, hello.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hello? Excuse me? Yes, you! Can I take contribution to medicine, who made the digital evolution, and how does contemporary Uzbekistan look like? This interests me a lot. Let's make a time trip to past and see how these discoveries were made. Let's go! He's Al-Khwarizmi. He is the founder of algebra. He is one of the first scholars who recognized zero as a number and sometimes referred to as Mr. Zero. Let's go get some simple memory. He is Al-Wali ibn Sina. Avicenna, the one who was the first to cut out appendicitis in the right way, and to this day, this method remains relevant. Come on, help him! Come on, help him! This is Mirza Ulugh, who compiled the catalog 1018 stars. And now, he is busy with counting the duration of the sidereal year, and we are witnessing this process! Be quiet! We disturbed him! Quit faster! Finally, we are in my modern Uzbekistan, the place where the whole generation of these great ancestors have gathered. In the meantime, I invite you to look at our pavilion. Thank you for keeping me company, and now time to go to the classroom. By the way, do not forget to take a picture. Now, can you capture us?